How to configure subtitles in Tubi TV. To configure subtitles on Tubi TV, follow these steps. Firstly, you will need to access subtitle settings during playback. Open the Tubi TV website or the app and log in to your account. Now play a video that you would like to watch. Just for this video, I'm gonna play this random video. After that, at the bottom of the video, you will see different icons. Click on the subtitle icon and select the option Advanced Settings. After you tap on Advanced Settings, you will land to another interface. Here you can adjust the appearance of your subtitle. You can select your font size from small, medium and large. Also, you can select if you want to turn on or off your background. If you want to do more customization, click on Advanced Settings by scrolling down. You will see a drop-down icon next to the option Advanced Settings. Here you can select the font style. There are different font styles that you can choose from. Also, by clicking on the color, you can reset the color. You can also change the styling and styling color. Along with that, you can even set a background color. After you are satisfied with your customization, click on Save to save your changes. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.